Okay, so I have my first print going with my Overture Silk PLA that they did send me for free so I could make this content for it. It is printing on my Creality Ender 3 V3 KE printer that I also received for free so I could make some content for it. So here is some content, and let's see what it's doing so far. So far it's looking really nice, but I will be back once this is finished. Here is an update on the progress. It is hard to focus on it as it moves around, but it is coming along nicely. It's 53% done, and that is a beautiful filament. Okay, the print is finished. It's just really hard to see it through all the support, so let me get that support off and then we'll take a good look at it. Okay, now that it is complete, you can take a look. It does have some sanding I'll need to do, but just look at the texture of this, look at the color. This is a beautiful filament, and I have a whole lot more projects planned for this. If you would like to pick up a spool of the Overture Silk PLA here, or an Ender Creality 3 V3 KE, I will have links to both of those in this video's description. They will both be affiliate links, so if you purchase through them, I will earn a small commission. Thanks for watching.